Namaste everyone. I hope you are doing very well. Today I am sharing a beautiful memory from my nephew's wedding. This was not just a dance performance, it was a celebration of our roots, our tradition, and the beautiful culture of Awadh. As the music began, the atmosphere changed completely. The women dressed in colorful traditional saris and beautiful jewelry come together with smiling faces. There were no stage performance, no competition, and no rehearsal to impress anyone. There was only happiness. This is the true beauty of the Awadhi dance tradition. In many villages and towns of Uttar Pradesh, weddings are not complete without these folk songs and dances. The songs are simple, but they carry deep emotions. Every word reflects love, family, relationships, blessings, and togetherness. Even if someone does not understand the Avadhi language, they can still feel the joy through the rhythm, the smiles, and the expressions on every face. That is the magic of folk culture. Today, in the modern world, we enjoy DJ music and fashionable dance performances. They are entertaining and those type of instruments, but traditional folk dance have something unique. They can connect us to our grandparents, our childhood memories, and the traditions passed down from one generation to another. When the women clap together, sing together, and dance together, they create an atmosphere that no expensive decoration can replace. It reminds us that happiness is not bought, it is created by people who come together with love. Every moment in this dance tells a story. Every smile carries an emotion. Every song treasures a piece of history. This is why we should respect and preserve our folk traditions. Culture is our identity, traditions are our roots, and roots keep us strong. As we watched the beautiful performance, I felt that these moments are priceless. Years later, when we watch these videos again, we may not remember every decoration or every dish served at the wedding, but we will always remember these smiles, these songs, and these beautiful moments shared with our family. That is why I wanted to record this memory. But we will always remember these smiles, these songs, and these beautiful moments shared with our family. That is why I wanted to record this memory, not only for today but for future generation, so that our children and grandchildren can also see how beautifully our families celebrated together. Our folk dances teach us unity, they teach us respect for elders, they teach us happiness in simplicity, and most importantly, they remind us that our culture is something to be proud of. Let us continue to celebrate these traditions. Let us encourage the younger generation to learn these songs, these dances, and these customs. Because when tradition disappear, a part of our identity, disappears too. Every clap, every smile, every step, every song is a beautiful gift from our ancestors. As I watched these wonderful ladies performing with so much grace and happiness, I felt immense respect for them. Their energy, their confidence, and their love for tradition made this wedding even more memorable. Thank you to every woman, even my bhabhi's sisters, like my sister, as my sister also. They are also like my sisters. My elder brother, my village, my real sister, elder sister, they are enjoying together and they are dancing, they are singing. I feel, I felt overwhelmed that time. Thank you, everyone, to everyone who keeps our culture alive through those beautiful songs and dances. May our tradition continue to shine. May our families always stay united. And may these beautiful memories remain in our hearts forever. If you enjoyed watching this glimpse of Awadhi culture, please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Let us celebrate our tradition together. Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind, Namaste. Have a nice day. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, which is Santosh Mishra Blogs, A Day in My Life. This time my two bhabis, my real bhabhi, another one her sisters dancing together, and my younger this time my elder niece dancing with my real bhabhi, my younger real bhabhi. But my elder niece is a very you can say very well educated and modern, but she also, and my younger one niece also came here, and he also trying to dance like Audi style dance, and they are very modern and very educated, but they want to try how to Audi dance style, how to do dance like that. So they are trying to dance. If you enjoyed this video, I enjoyed a lot, so I make a video for you. And my both nieces is very um, found in dance, like a modern dance style, like a, you can say any music, any type of music they can dance. But she is trying to dance like Audi dance. They observe first, then they follow. And this time my daughter is not here. They also does same. Bye bye. Follow for more.